So this is the proof that I am a free to play player. So, and I am doing this technique, effective techniques. So they are VIP. As you can see, so this is one of my account, and I'll show you my other account as well to prove that this technique is actually effective. So to my one of the server 223. So as you can see, the ranking, I am currently rank 1 also, and I am also a free to play player here. So but in this video I'm going to use my other account as well. So in this video I am going to use this account. So I am rank 2 here since I stopped playing in the server for almost 1 week or 2 weeks. But as you can see, VIP 4, VIP 3, yet I still managed to climb up from the rankings even though I stopped playing for a while. So let's go. I'm going to teach you how. So good day everyone. So for today's video, so I am going to share my experience, tip and tricks as an experienced free to play player. So I'm going to share what to do and not to do in early stages or in new server to avoid dead server in the mid and late game. So first is spend your resources wisely. So when I say resources, I'm referring to this one, the tally box, the advanced token, advanced summon token, and also the factional summon token. So in your server you will receive 10 tally blind box. So don't open or use it directly, just wait for the event to come, because it has a greater benefits when opening it during the event. Just like this one, you will receive more than this. If you open 10, then you will receive extra 4, 2, 1, 1, 1. So it would be better to use it during event. So in your server, the first event will be this one, advanced summon token. So in advanced summon token, just use at least 700 or 1000 summon, because it's not a good idea to keep up with a free to play player. But if you're confident enough to compete with them, then it would be better to spend it at least, if you have enough summon token to reach 2000, then that would be great, or more. But for me, just use at least 1000 at most. So save the remaining for the next event. So the order of this event is, the first is the advanced token, then the next one is the tally box, the third one is the factional summon. So now the second one is what to do and buy and save, and when or where to spend it. So at a certain level you will unlock the item exchange, which is this one. So be sure to buy this one, and also this one. It will cost you 900 a day. Be sure to buy it daily, it will refresh every day. So it's better, it's a good investment for the event after 6 days in the new server. So also the flower, this one, the, what's the name of it, the arena, I'm referring to this one, sa demotion fruit, I'm calling it as a flower, sorry for that. So be sure to buy that also weekly, you'll be needing that in the future. I'm going to share that in the next video, what's the purpose of that. So also the fifth order, in a certain level you will unlock this one, fifth order. Be sure to buy this one, this at least two times a day. I think it's you will only needed it 150 gold, so it's a good investment. You'll be needing that in the future because of this expedition, just like this one. So as you can see, you can use quick raid for that. So it would be better to buy this one in early stages just twice, or if you want to buy more, then it would be good, but it costs a lot of gold. So the limit of this is 150 higher, so it's a good investment to buy this one just twice a day. Also the tiger tally, be sure to save this one for and use it during mid game or late game. You can get that one in this realm by completing the third stage. You will get one tally a day, so it's a good investment to save that one. So also the wheel, if you find this one, sorry, or was it, so let's this one, if you find this one, it would be great buying it also in Riders Beach, or just doing this one event, this one. So task, this one, bounty, be sure it's okay to refresh it and only get this one. Also the summoning or factional or just gold, choose wisely. So, and the last question would be where to spend my gold. So spending your gold in events or replacing your gear class. So example, this one, be sure to buy all this one except of this one, it costs a lot. So just buy this one and do some wheel for your luck, checking your luck. You might get one of these, or even this one, divine weapon. When you reach level 80, you'll unlock this one, you'll be needing this one. So it would be a good investment to buy this gold pack. So, and also raid, quick raids, and buying extra attacks in guild like this one. Be sure to buy this one. And also here, I think here, yes, it will open in the second day server. Be sure to buy this one also, you'll be needing that for that reward or ranking to catch up. So a lot of extra attacks and raids, just buy those one if you needed it. So it's okay to buy it here also. Some factional summon, if you find one, be sure to buy it also, since it's much easier to find silver over hero XP. So that would be all for today's video about tip and tricks as a free to play player in early stages. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you what to do in mid game to late game. So that's all for today. Thank you.